This is how a typical rug pull happens on Dex Screener. So I'm going to take you through a coin, and you be careful. And I'll caution you. This is not financial advice, but it's just a caution for you to know how this scammers work on Dex Screener, so that if you are buying a coin, you know when to get in and when to get out. So there's a coin that I bought. You can see this coin. Just for educational purposes, because I knew that this coin definitely they are going to rug pull. So I got the coin around here, and I saw it. I did my analysis. I knew that this is a typical rug pull, but you just need to be extra careful and know that they need to get in. They gather the money and they get out. So you see the typical growth. It will pump. They will pump the money into it. Then you see, this is the typical movement. They will be putting, let me just show you what they will be doing. They do. So you see, they'll be putting in $6 to buy with like $2.49. Just some basic, petty buying. This is, you can see. So let me go down for you to see the analysis, how they do that. You can see they've been buying and they are using Telegram bros to buy 0.01, 0.01. So if you see this, you may think that, okay, they are buying, people are buying, they have holders. And now they have holders of 1,287. But these are all people who are feasting on the coin. So you just need to be extra careful. They buy, you see little, they buy little. They buy and hold little and stuff for you to get in. So if you are a novice, you don't know how to do this, you get in at this point, then you see the movement is TD. You don't see real movement. You can see that this is engineered. They are struggling with the coin, pushing it, getting people, making noise, and boom. At this point, they just drew everything out of the system. And now, it's still up, down, and down. You can see now the coin. So that is how they do it. And you can see they are drawing small. And hoping that people that will buy like the $3, $4, then they will withdraw everything. So this is how they do it. Hope you learn something, and just be extra careful when you are going to hunt memes, because people will make noise just to push you into the meme coins. And boom, they take your money away. So if you want to learn how to trade, check my bio. You are going to see a free course. And also join my Telegram channel for more opportunities and for more learnings like this. If you also want to support our team, the next step that we are going to do is we are going to train people internally for free. You can also support the movement, and let's train more people with this. And this is why I want to train more people for free, because the ignorance is too much and a few individuals are taking advantage of everybody. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.